Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. All right, learn how I made these garlic, parsley, buttery shrimps. So good. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so today we are making some garlic shrimp. Okay, these shrimps are so huge. I think that's the biggest shrimps that I have ever had. So we're gonna start seasoning them. You said it's a 2 minute? Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. Okay, so while our shrimp are cooking, we are finna make a salad. Honey, right here, I was trying to do this technique that I had seen a lady that's on Facebook and YouTube. So pretty much, if you want to remove the stem from like your herbs and stuff like that, you could put the stem like in a strainer, and it's supposed to like make the herbs and stuff detach itself from the stem. But honey, I could not get it. Okay, so afterwards I got frustrated and I just pretty much started taking the damn leaf off the stem my doggone self. Okay, so that's pretty much what I'm doing over here. Honey, so I got this knife from TJ Maxx, but this knife, I don't know, it wasn't knifing. It wasn't doing what it needed to do. So that's why you see me like keep on going over it to try to like really cut the parsley so fine. Okay, family, so right here we have some garlic is already peeled, and I was excited to get this little kitchen tool. I had brought this from TJ Maxx. It was $3.99. They had another one that was just like this, but it was more expensive. Okay, well, this one not expensive, but the other one, it was like, I think like $7.99, $8 or something. Either I was doing it wrong or the chefs on television making it seem like this thing is so easy. Or maybe it's because I got a tool like this that's very inexpensive. I don't know which one it was, but honey, it felt like the garlic wasn't coming out. You see the way I'm squeezing my hands, honey? You see all my veins in my hands, okay? That's how much I am trying to get this garlic out of this little kitchen tool thing over here. But needless to say, I must say that it was way better than actually chopping the garlic up with the knife, okay? So right here, I'm pretty much adding the parsley and the garlic to the butter, the grapeseed oil, and the lemon. Okay, so this is like where the magic happens. Okay, we got our butter, lemon juice, and grapeseed oil parsley and garlic. Okay, so we tossing them shrimps. We put them shrimps all up in there. Let it marinate. Let the parsley and garlic get acquainted with the shrimps. Okay, honey, when I tell you, sister girl, who I had got this recipe from off of YouTube, honey, she knew what she was doing and what she was talking about. Peace family. Okay, so right here I am pretty much cutting up the onions for my salad, honey. If you do not eat onions, okay, to me you childish, okay? All right? Because onions in a salad is so good. I remember when I was younger, my father, he would get Big Macs from McDonald's, and I remember that if you picked over his sandwich or be like, no daddy, I don't want this on it, or if he got a sandwich and it had onions and you like, daddy, I don't want no onions, my father would be like, you know what, you ain't getting nothing. He wouldn't even give it to you because he's like, you're not gonna mess over his sandwich. My children, let me try this with my children, honey, they still gonna pick over it. Okay, right here I am pretty much cutting up the cucumber, making this salad nice and tasty for those good old buttery garlic shrimp, honey. Get into it. This is pretty much how it's looking. Okay, honey, I taste one so good. You have to try this recipe. Okay, I got this recipe. I forgot the young lady's name, but I'm gonna pin it. I'm gonna put it in my description. Okay, this is really good, honey. Take a closer look at it. Honey, tell me this don't look good. Okay, so I'll catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and let me know if you try this recipe. Peace.